Everyone, welcome back to Genie, your go-to source for smart fixes and tech tutorials. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to install Loklok on your smart TV. Whether you have an Android TV or a basic smart TV, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Check if your smart TV supports Android. Before anything else, make sure your smart TV runs on Android OS. Loklok is primarily designed for Android TVs. If your TV runs on Android, you're good to go. If your TV is non-Android, Loklok may not be installable directly, but don't worry, we'll show you how to cast from your phone later. Step 2. Allow apps from unknown sources. To install Loklok manually, you need to enable a key setting. Head to your TV settings. Navigate to Security and Restrictions or Device Preferences greater than Security. Enable unknown sources. This allows you to install apps outside the Play Store. Step 3. Get the Loklok APK file. Now it's time to download the app file. Option 1. Download directly on TV, use the TV's web browser. Go to a trusted source like the official Loklok website or apkmirror.com. Download the latest Loklok APK. Option 2. Transfer via USB. Download the APK on your laptop or phone. Copy it to a USB flash drive. Plug the USB into your smart TV. Step 4. Install the APK using a file manager. Now we'll install the Loklok APK on your TV. Open a file manager app, e.g., Explore File Manager or ES File Explorer. Locate the APK file you just downloaded or transferred. Click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 5. Open Loklok and start watching. Once installed, go to your Apps section or home screen. Launch Loklok, sign in or create an account. Start enjoying your favorite movies and shows. Step 6. Alternative. Cast from your mobile device. If your TV doesn't support APK installs, here's another way. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Loklok on your phone, tap the cast icon, usually at the top. Select your smart TV from the list and start casting. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy Loklok on your smart TV the easy way. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment below with your questions, subscribe to Genie for more tech hacks and app fixes.